Welcome here, welcome home. This is part 5 of our 6-day ancestor meditation. Whether you're here for the first time or returning again, know that your presence matters. Rest in your breath and be here in the rhythm of your heart. Another generation circles you with all those who came before, standing, hearts leading forward. They stand before you with an offering of listening. Is there something needed to be heard, whether you would like to say it, or anything you wish to hear from your ancestors, that with which you need to hear to usher you forward, that can support you through this time? Hear what's around you, what's within you, what words and sounds call forward from your ancestors and from within yourself. Listen one by one to your ancestors before you. See their face, hear their voice, the voice that also lives in you. Even if you cannot make their face out yet, really listen to who is here alongside you and who stands with and beside you. Let each of their words gather in your heart. You won't have to hold on to every word. They already collect in the memory of your being without you needing to do anything to try and keep their meaning. The words, they already live within you. Breathe into all that you hear from the land, your ancestors, and deep within you. Let yourself rest in the voice given and the silence that is also here. Thank you for listening to part 5 of our ancestor meditation. Subscribe to receive the next part of this guided practice, each designed to help you deepen, clear, and meet yourself again. Breathe in, long exhale out. Come back when you're ready. Return again, and remember, you are already worthy, and you are already enough.